We're back with another awesome property here on the Medellin Real Estate Investment Channel. This property I saw today is located in the outskirts of Envigado, about 20 minutes away from Medellin, in a gated community, very exclusive, very beautiful, very safe gated community. And as you can see, as we walk through this, the first thing that you notice when I open this door here is the design. It's awesome. There's like two wings, one on the left and one on the right. We'll discover those here in a minute. But and then there's a downstairs part, which is also awesome. This is the first half bath. This is a 5-bedroom, 7-bath house. And as you can see, the design is amazing. Look at that toilet. Look at the aesthetics, the colors, the way that they integrated the real plants with the architecture is just, they did an amazing job. Can you see yourself living in this? I can definitely see myself here with like 10 dogs and 10 children, because it's that big. This is the kitchen area. So this is the first wing. This is the kitchen area / living area. And it just looks beautiful with the accent lighting on the wooden roof. It's awesome. This little room is the laundry room, very big. To the left of it is the maid's quarters. I didn't go through that. It's a small room with a full bath as well. And let's walk into the kitchen here so you could take a look at it. The owners were living in it up until recently. They left it like halfway furnished for people to view it. This is the kitchen. I love this island with the American style countertop bar with the stools there. I love this right here. Look at this. This is like a secret door here. I thought it was just storage, but I open it and it's an entire pantry area, which is giant. They got their barbecue back there as well. Yeah, so this is very cool. How big is this? This is, the actual house itself is 640 square meters, which is about 7,000 square feet. The entire property is 2,016 square meters, which is about 22,000 square feet. This is the living area. That's actually a chimney, a gas chimney or a gas fire pit, really. But it's gas right there on that brick wall. And then this is the deck, the downstairs deck or the living area deck, which also has another 6-person table there overlooking the beautiful valley here. And there's a creek right there. You can see it down there. And that's all you hear out here. It's so quiet. We'll get to the downstairs part here in a minute, which is also very cool. This place at night is awesome because they have accent lighting on their property over there by the river, which is really, it makes it look really beautiful. I mean, I can only imagine what it's like, waking up early morning, at dawn, having your coffee overlooking that, that area is so awesome. So this is the next wing, and there's a door that actually locks that actually, will separate the two wings. So this area right here is like a TV room area, and on this side, they have their dog houses. They've got 2 big Dobermans right there. And then going back in here, I don't know, I'd maybe make this into an office, but there's so much space in this that you can make this really anything. Okay, going down this hallway, we're going to take a look at the first bedroom. This each bedroom has its own full bath and walk-in closet. Check this out. Look at this walk-in closet. Bigger than most walk-in closets in apartments in Medellin for the masters. This is just a small room. This is the bathroom, a big shower. Those 2 windows open out there as well, so you don't steam up the shower when you take a shower there. And going back out, it also has its own exit there to the side yard. Going back into the hallway, we're going to take a look at the next room. This room right here was their kids' room. They had 2 kids, two girls. And it also has its own walk-in closet and full bathroom. You'd have to, if you don't have kids or you don't have girls, you'd have to deal with the pink. Just change the color, but not a big deal. Love that shower. As you can see, it's different than the other one. That's what I love about the style here, is that nothing repeats itself. It's very unique, yet it's very modern. It's definitely modern style design. And then this is the view looking down the side yard into the valley over there. Going back in, going down the hallway here. And this is sold without the furniture. This is just there for staging purposes. But yeah. Oh, by the way, the garage or the parking area parks 6 cars over there on the other side where I started the video, which is great as well. A lot of space. This is the master bedroom right here. Very big master bedroom. A lot of natural light coming through. I mean, in a setting like this, that's what you want, is these big windows with a lot of natural light. This is the deck right here overlooking that little brook or that creek. And the deck downstairs. And going back inside, we're going to take a look at the master bath and closet, which is also amazing. Yeah, the accent lighting on the roof. I mean, just everything that they did here is really, really well done. Very nice place to live in. This is the master bath. It's got this, it's got that bathtub there, the double sinks. All of the mirrors in the bathrooms are rounded as well, which also gives it a very unique look. This is the bathtub and the shower, which actually has two rain shower heads there, which is cool. This is the walk-in closet, which is as big as probably my room in my apartment. It's very beautiful. It's awesome. I don't know. Can you let me know in the comments? Can you see yourself living in a place like this? What do you think of this place? I think it's amazing. I could definitely see myself living in it. It's 20 minutes away from Medellin. So obviously if you have a place like this, you also have a car. So you're driving to the city whenever you need to. But really, I mean, this place would be an amazing place to, you know, maybe have a family. All right. So we're walking down the stairs here into the next floor. Now this could be a room. It could be a bedroom. It has its own full bath over here. It's a small room. They were saying that the owners used this as a gym. Right now they just stored some furniture there, but this was their gym, which actually makes sense with a full bath downstairs and then the jacuzzi right outside as well, which makes sense. Okay, so going back across the hall over here into this other room, this one doesn't have a full bath. They were using it as an office area, and they stored a bunch of other office equipment here, or desks and stuff. But as you can see, this one's not a full bath. It's just a half bath. So it makes sense, kind of like an office area with its own bathroom. And this is the deck outside. As we take a look at this deck, by the way, this is a fire pit. They have the fire pit itself on the side. It's kind of a mobile one that they'd put in the middle there and hang out. And this is the jacuzzi. So let's talk about the numbers. This one's listed at 5.8 billion Colombian pesos, which comes out to be $1.4 million. And the price per square meter comes out to be about 2,229 per square meter. The square meters on this is 640 for the actual apartment itself, or the house, but the entire property itself is about 7,000 square meters, including that area down there with where the grass is at, this side area. There's the fire pit. So this property is definitely a property that you'd want to live in. There's no rentals here. This is an exclusive gated community in Envigado. This is how the rich people in Medellin and in Colombia live. So if you want to make an offer on this one, or you want to go look at it, or you want another one like it, just click on the link in the description below, fill out our form, and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you want to see some more awesome properties, click on this playlist right here.